So, with all this free content that's on YouTube that involves piano and music and chord sheets, why should I, as a musician, instead of using that free content, why should I make a profile and use your content?
Right. So again, you're getting on my site something you cannot get anywhere else. So I started, 18 years ago on YouTube. I was one of the first YouTube piano teachers, and I have always had a pay site, because you got to make money at this. If I can't make money at it, make a living, I don't have time to do it. Right? It's gotta be that way, or I can't do it. I don't have time because everybody has to make a living. But many people started joining YouTube and giving stuff for free. In fact, most piano teachers on YouTube, everything is for free. You can find lessons for anything. So how am I still able to make a great living at this and have customers that have been with me for 15 years, 17 years, tons of them? How am I still able to? Why are they still paying for lessons? And it's because they get with my lessons and my sheets something they cannot get anywhere else. That is, one is the accuracy of the arrangement. All right, this thing I've been playing here for as an example is an exact transcription from me. I don't use anyone else. I don't trust anyone else to do it the way I would do it. I do everything myself by hand, and that's the first thing is the accuracy. They want to play like the real artists, and they know they can't get it anywhere else. The second thing is the teaching. I set side by side students for 20 years, 2 decades, 50 students a week, and you learn a thing or two about people and humans and what works for them and what doesn't. Most of them aren't going to practice. You're going to need to do most of your learning during that 30 minutes in the lesson. And you learn what's going to work for people. And I have an instinct for that, not because I'm smart or anything, but because of the experience. I was born before the internet boom, so I couldn't go straight online and start doing this. I taught real people, real lessons every week, and that experience is in my video lessons. When I think of something, and I think of many things during each lesson, you may learn a Billy Joel song and you learn how the 3 chords that are the primary chords in the key of G or F or whatever, or how to play inversions, or how to a particular technique. But things will be evoked as I'm teaching these lessons of things that will help you be a better musician. So I'm always teaching you way more than just what's on the page, just that song. You're learning how to become a musician, how to vamp, how to pedal, how to read a chord progression, how to practice, all these tips and things, the wealth of knowledge that I have from all that years of experience with real people, I'm giving you in every single lesson that's on the site. So that's why people still pay for it today and why it's still unique.